Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to disable predictive text on iPhone. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. Note, it's important to distinguish between predictive text and autocorrection. While both aim to assist your typing, they function slightly differently. Predictive text suggests entire words as you type, attempting to anticipate your next word based on context and past usage. Autocorrection automatically corrects the misspelled words you've already typed. To disable predictive text on iPhone, you need to be in your Settings app. So in your app library, open the Settings app. Here, scroll down to General. When you see General, tap it. Here you have the following: About, Software Update, AirDrop, AirPlay and Handoff, Picture in Picture, CarPlay, iPhone Storage, Background App Refresh, Date and Time, Keyboard, etc. So from the options, open Keyboard. Here you have many options. They are keyboards, text placement, one-handed keyboard, auto capitalization, auto correction, enable caps lock, smart punctuation, character preview, etc. So just go down a bit and you will find predictive text. To turn off predictive text, simply tap the toggle switch next to predictive. That is how to disable predictive text on iPhone. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.